To apply for visa sponsorship jobs with a referrer, stay with us until the end of this video. First, visit refriend.winatalent.com and click on View Refriend Positions. At the top of the page, select Login and log in as a talent. Enter your mobile number, then the verification code, and complete your personal information. Next, you will receive an email from WINaTALENT. Click on the link in the email to finalize your registration. Finally, set a password to complete your registration process. Afterward, log into your account to upload your resume. You can do this by adding the link to your LinkedIn profile, uploading a PDF version of your resume, or manually filling out your resume details on the WINaTALENT website. To search for job opportunities, go to the left-hand dashboard and select Refriend Positions to view the list of visa sponsorship opportunities. Use the available filters to quickly find a job that matches your criteria. To apply for job opportunities, you will need beads, which you can purchase via the Buy Bead option at the top of the page. Finally, click Apply to this position on the job page of your choice. We will update you on the result of your application within a maximum of 1 week. We hope to bring you great news soon.